What you mean you don't know DOPEaxxPANA? She's dope. Boom, boom, boom.
What you mean? What you mean?
Boom, boom. What you mean?
What you mean?
Hey, hey.
What you mean? What you mean? DOPEaxxPANA, click subscribe. What is poppin' YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl DOPEaxxPANA, and today I have a special guest on my voiceovers. Introduce yourself, sir.
It's me, your boy, and I'm back with the crazy tutorials. We're gonna do something different. We're gonna do this tutorial together and get some things popping.
Yes, so today for this video, guys, I am doing some tribal feed-in braids, and I wasn't engaged at this time, so y'all don't see that fat rock on my finger. But for those of you guys who saw my last video, y'all know my boo proposed to me. You feel me? He got on one knee, shed a tear. You know how that go.
I didn't shed any tears.
He wanted to shed a tear though. I seen it coming, and he was like, "Let me turn around for a second."
My eyes were dry.
So yeah, in the back we got some knotless box braids popping off, baby. What type of hair texture is this here that we working with?
It looks like it's some 4cc carry the C, so it's about 4.5 C's that we're working with right now. And right now we're just getting these quadrants nice and greased up.
What type of parting is this?
This is a what is that? Line parting. This is straight line parting. Oh no, it's box parting. It's boxes. Looks, is that a box? Yeah, it's a
Definitely
box.
not a box.
That is a box.
That is not a box.
That's some 4C boxing parts.
So yeah, guys, when I've been doing my tribals, I've been liking to do knotless box braids underneath, because I just feel like it makes it look really full, and I'm just obsessed with doing knotless. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing knotless all underneath these tribals at the top. You feel me? Dre, you want to let them know like how I'm doing this technique or what?
Okay, so first we're gonna grab the hair and pinch it between the fingers. I'm gonna take some of this ashy cream that I got on my hand, as you can see.
Pause. I'm not even ashy today, so don't
and
get at me.
Why? You know why you're not ashy? Because you got the ashy cream. Duh. Come on now.
Oh my God, you are too much. So these are actually called like free parts, and anytime I do this type of parting is because I want it to look really full. Ooh, you can see my ponytail.
Oh my God. Somebody screenshot that. Look at that. Go back and put the timestamp in the comments, please.
Damn, got my whole edges. I forgot to edit that out.
Jesus.
Y'all, it's so funny because behind the camera I be looking a mess. Like, oh my God, a mess.
You're still beautiful though.
Oh, thank you, baby.
I got him.
Dang. So since you think you know everything, why is this called a free part?
Because the client didn't have to pay for it. She was charged absolutely nothing. It's all free.
For the parts?
Yeah. No payment plans, no nothing. Free parts.
No, stupid, because I'm basically pulling hair. It's like, actually, I don't even know if this is called a free part. I think I made that up.
What?
Yeah.
Get your facts straight. You don't even know. You're going to quiz me. You don't even know.
So guys, I just finished all of those knotless box braids, and I always wait to braid it down because I just feel like it's quicker. But bam, look how full that is. Wow.
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 Look at that. Look at that.
Look at that.
That looks nice. Oh, bow. Check that out. Look at this straight down the line part right there with the 2 knots at the top.
2 knots. So yeah, basically I'm doing both sides going down, and I already did this side first. So for the other opposite side, I'm just gonna try to match it up and do like the same amount of braids so that it's super symmetrical. So when I part for the next side, it's gonna match all the parting for the opposite side. So you see, I just took my comb and I'm kind of like measuring it So I make sure I do the same amount of braids on each side. So y'all, make sure you guys give us a thumbs up if you like this video. We're actually thinking about starting a couples channel. So yeah, what should our first video be on our couples channel? I told him he should cut my hair blindfolded because he's in barbering school now.
Yeah, what should the first video be? Leave a comment down in the comment section below. Let us know. Let us know what should we do. I'll gladly cut her hair blindfolded. I'm down to do some things, some snips. You already know.
Heck no. If you guys haven't already, make sure you guys go check out his channel. He did an About Me. Was it an About Me?
Yeah.
And it was pretty funny. It was pretty funny.
I did an About Me. It's pretty funny. Go check it out.
An About Me. So boom, we switching it up to the back, and this was where it gets a little bit tricky. I kind of curve mine down just a little bit to cover up some of that space. I know for me, when I'm doing this style, I'm always like, how am I going to cover up that back section or whatever? So yeah.
I'm not going to lie. The game that sis playing on her phone look like she losing, so maybe.
What is that, Candy Crush?
I don't know what that is. Tetris. Them blocks are way up there, though. That's not how you supposed to win. Go stupid, go crazy.
So yes, this is everybody's favorite part, guys. When I put the mousse on the hair, this literally feels like life. And basically what the mousse does is it helps to lay down flyaway hairs, and it adds some extra moisture in it. It's definitely like a newer school technique, but I absolutely love it. And then I'm gonna go in and take my kettle, and I'm gonna be dipping the braids. This will help you to seal the ends, and the kettle literally has saved my life.
Stop. Oh my God.
Ah, damn.
What is that? What is that?
Damn, y'all call me slipping.
Oh my goodness. Somebody call the police.
Look at it. That's pretty bad, bruh.
Look at that.
I need a haircut so bad. Look at them cakes though. Ooh, baby got.
No.
They shut me down. I said, baby got cakes though. So yeah, guys, look, this is the finished look right here. Sis is popping. She's actually pregnant, and she was like, I need something. I'm trying to be cute when I go into labor. So yeah, I'm hooking her up right now before I turn her around and show y'all the finished look. Got to get them braids in place.
Look at
okay, sis.
She looking good with them symmetrical braids.
Look at sis. Zoom in.
Okay. She feeling it. Okay, patting it. Patty pat.
Look, oh, she thinks she cute. Look at Carnation. Oh my God. So yeah, guys, this here is my finished look. If you like me and Bae together, make sure you guys drop a comment in the comment section. Like and subscribe. You want to do this outro, baby?
Oh yeah, let's do this outro.
Okay.
We gonna do this outro the right way. You already
In
know
3,
what it
2,
is.
1. What you mean you don't know dope ass Panda?
He's dope. Boom, boom, boom.
What you mean? What
Boom,
you mean?
boom,
Watch my
boom,
next
boom.
video.
What you mean? Hey,
Hey, what you mean?
What you mean? What you mean? Hey.
And we out.